Good morning, students, again. So today we will solve one more numerical, which is from the first unit. Okay, so let us write down the problem statement. The Pelton turbine operates under a 40-meter head, a 40-meter head, and total discharge through will is 2.204 meter cube per second. It develops a power of 735 kilowatt 735 kilowatt determine the mechanical efficiency determine the mechanical efficiency of turbine. First off, so let us read the problem statement again. The Pelton turbine operates under a 40-meter head and total discharge through will is 2.204 meter square per second. It develops a power of 735 kilowatt. Determine the mechanical efficiency of the turbine. So let us write down the given data first. So given data will be head, and that is nothing but the H, which is given as 40 meter. Then discharge is given as Q, which is 2.204 meter cube per second. Okay, so discharge is meter cube per second. Power developed which is nothing but the P is equal to 735 kilowatt, and which will be 735 into 10 raised to 3 watt, isn't it? Then density of water is rho, which is equals to 1000 kg per meter cube. Then gravitational acceleration g is nothing but the 9.81 meter per second. So we know that the formula for the mechanical efficiency is output upon input. output upon input multiplied by 100. Okay, and here the output is nothing but the shaft power and input is nothing but the water power multiplied by 100. So shaft power is nothing but the SP and water power is nothing but the rho into G into Q into H multiplied by 1000. So the shaft power is given as 735 into 10 raised to 3 divided by rho 1000 into G 9.81 into Q 2.204 into H is nothing but the 40. Okay, and multiplied by 100. Okay, so let us calculate the mechanical efficiency. So 735 multiplied by 1 exponential 3 divided by 1000 multiplied by 9.81 multiplied by 2.204 multiplied by 40. Okay, bracket complete. So the answer is multiplied by again 100. So the answer is 84.98. So efficiency comes around 84.98%. So this is how we can solve the numericals which are based on the turbine, isn't it? So I hope you might have understood this problem. That's it for this particular video. Thank you so much. All the best.